Natural calamities. A natural calamity or natural disaster is caused by forces of nature that affects people. Natural calamities include droughts, floods, earthquakes, cyclones, and volcanic eruptions. Natural calamities usually cause great damage to life and property. Let us learn more about these and how can we protect ourselves from these kind of calamities. Droughts. Droughts are natural disasters. Drought is a period when there is not enough water or no rainfall. Due to lack of water for irrigation, crops get destroyed and usually famines break out. Famines are long periods of acute shortage of food, so there is widespread starvation and epidemics causing death. Causes of drought. Drought has many causes. It can be caused by not receiving rain or snow over a period of time. People can also play a big role in drought. If we use too much water during times of normal rainfall, we might not have enough water when a drought happens. Precautions. To prevent droughts, we should save every drop of water and grow more trees. Building reservoirs to store water and rainwater harvesting, etc. can help to prevent droughts. Floods. Floods generally occur when there is very heavy rainfall. Most commonly, floods are caused when a river overflows its banks and the water spreads through the surrounding areas. Causes of floods. Collapse of the dam built across a river. Blocking of river channels by landslides. Cyclones and tsunamis in coastal area. Typhoons with strong tides or storms in the sea. Sudden melting of large amounts of snow on mountains during the summer. Floods are very common in India. They mostly occur in the plains of the northern India. Floods cause damage to life, property and crops. They cause waterlogging for several days. Diseases such as cholera, malaria and dengue generally spread in areas hit by floods. Precautions. Listen to the radio or watch television for warning and advice. Keep a first aid kit ready for an emergency. Keep a radio, torch, matchboxes and candles handy. Keep stocks of food and fresh water. Keep waterproof bags for packing food and clothes. If possible, drink only boiled water. Switch off and unplug all electric appliances if flood water enters your home. Trees are very useful in controlling floods. The roots of trees absorb the water and prevent floods from spreading fast. Special dams can also be built to slow down the speed of water. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and sometimes violent movement within the earth, which is followed by a series of tremors or shaking of the ground. If the tremors are very violent, the earthquake is said to be of higher magnitude. High magnitude quakes can uproot trees, collapse houses, bridges and roads, and even cause rifts on the earth's surface. Huge buildings and roads can be reduced to rubble within minutes. Earthquakes can occur without any warning. It is difficult to predict an earthquake. The seismograph is an instrument that measures and records details such as the intensity and duration of an earthquake. It measures the force of an earthquake on the Richter scale. The scientific study of earthquake is called seismology. The place of origin of an earthquake is called focus. The point directly above the focus on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. The effect of an earthquake is maximum near the epicenter. Causes of earthquake. Major earthquakes cause a lot of damage to life and property. On 26 January 2001, there was a very severe earthquake in Bhuj, in Gujarat. More than 20,000 people died. Over 15 lakh were injured. And about 8 lakh houses were destroyed in this earthquake. The Himalayan ranges in northern India experience frequent earthquakes. Earthquakes also occur very frequently in Japan and the Philippines. People build strong buildings using suitable material that can survive earthquakes. April 2015, Nepal earthquake, also known as the Gorkha earthquake, killed over 8,000 people and injured more than 21,000. This earthquake affected many countries such as Nepal, India, China, Bangladesh. Precautions: get out of your house or school building quickly and move to open areas. Sit under a heavy table if you are unable to go into the open. Stay away from all buildings. Do not stay near windows, bookcases, mirrors and fans. Do not use a lift during or immediately after an earthquake. Use the staircase. Get out of a car or bus if you feel an earthquake. Keep away from trees, signboards, poles and electric wires. Cyclones. A cyclone is a tropical storm. During a cyclone, winds whirl at very high speed. Cyclones are always accompanied by very heavy showers. West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and the coastal areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat are very prone to cyclones. On 29 October 1991, a very powerful cyclone hit several parts of Odisha. Thousands of villages along the sea coast were destroyed. Millions of people became homeless. Precautions: listen to the radio and watch television for weather forecast and warnings. Move to a safer place before the cyclone arrives. Store food in waterproof bags. Do not go near or into the sea. Be careful about insect and snake bites. Keep phone numbers of hospitals, relatives and friends handy. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes cause a lot of destruction. They also cause air pollution. An opening or crack on the surface of the earth through which magma, ash and hot gases come out is called a volcano. The interior of the earth contains molten rock known as magma. These rocks are very hot. When magma erupts from the earth, it is called lava. The opening through which lava is pushed up to the surface of the earth is called a vent. As the lava cools down, it becomes solid rock. Gradually, as more lava comes out and cools, it forms a volcanic mountain. Major volcanic areas are found mainly around the edges of the Pacific Ocean in a huge band, shaped like a horseshoe. It is called the Ring of Fire. Precautions: listen to the radio or watch television for warnings or advice. Move to a safer place at once. Always keep a first aid kit ready, include a torch. Stay away from volcanic mud, lava and hot gases. Keep important phone numbers handy. Wait for an announcement that it is safe to return to your